guys, I'm making carbonara pasta.
Ingredients.
Well,
What are the
everything.
ingredients?
I have some Parmesan cheese. The noodles are cooking, and some eggs to mix.
Show him.
Look, Cutie Thomas' little friend.
Egg yolks only.
Yes, so yeah. time to
Instead of
mix.
guanciale.
I use bacon. Time to mix.
Okay, go.
Mom, can I please upload this? R.I.P. Cutie Thomas.
Because when I add the pasta water, you should be quick in.
Really?
Okay, go.
Okay.
Go.
Okay, I must get. Will it turn night?
Go. Just stir it.
This is social media versus reality. First off is the Mont-Saint-Michel in France. This island is one of the most gothic town beyond the walls of green mountain fields. But in reality, this spot is not like the same on social media. It only gets more crowded as you get.
Oh my gosh, it's amazing. Let me give a taste test.
How is it?
Amazing.
So why your noodles is red? What is that?
Well, some beetroot noodles.
It's a beetroot noodles. And what are your ingredients in making the old-fashioned carbonara?
Well,
Mm.
egg, Parmesan cheese,
And
noodles, and like bacon. No guanciale.
it's guanciale. And it should be pecorino. The cheese should be pecorino. But instead we use Parmesan. It's very easy to make, is it?
Yes.
Is it really yummy? Okay, bye guys.